Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking practice. Today, we are going to a very common place, a cafe. Imagine you are at a cozy coffee shop. Kevin is ordering some drinks and food from Chloe, the barista. Ordering coffee is a great way to practice your English in daily life. First, listen to their conversation, and then it will be your turn to practice. Let's grab a coffee.
Hello, welcome to Sunshine Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi there. Can I have an iced latte, please?
Certainly. One iced latte. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar in your latte?
Yes, please. Just a little sugar.
Okay, a medium iced latte with a little sugar. Anything else?
Yes, I would also like a hot coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar in that coffee?
No, thank you. Just black, please.
No milk and no sugar for the hot coffee. Got it. Both are medium, right?
That's correct.
Would you like anything to eat today?
Yes, please. I would like a ham and cheese sandwich.
Good choice. Anything else from our bakery?
Yes, and one piece of chocolate cake, please.
Great! Our chocolate cake is very popular today. So that's one iced latte, one black coffee, one sandwich, and one piece of cake.
Yes, that's right. That's all.
Is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We are sitting at the table by the window.
Perfect. Your total is $12.50.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you. I don't need a receipt.
No problem. Please have a seat. We will bring everything to your table in a few minutes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee and food.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Useful expressions. Wonderful. Now, let's look at 6 useful points from this conversation to help you order like a pro. 1. Ordering styles. To order, you can use "Can I have?" or "I'd like." Both are very polite. For example, "Can I have a latte?" or "I'd like a sandwich." 2. Sizes. In most cafes, they will ask about the size. Remember, small, medium, and large. 3. Customizing your coffee. If you want coffee without milk or sugar, just say "black," please. If you want a small amount of something, use "just a little," like "just a little sugar." 4. Anything else? This is how staff ask if you want to buy more. You can answer "yes" and, or "that's all, thank you," if you are finished. 5. For here or to go? This is a very common question. For here means you will eat or drink inside the cafe. To go or take away means you will take it with you. 6. Total and payment. When paying, the staff says, "Your total is." When you give them the money or card, it's polite to say, "Here you go," or "Here you are." Great! Now it's your turn to speak. I will be Chloe, the barista, and you will be Kevin. Don't forget to speak clearly. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello, welcome to Sunshine Cafe. What can I get for you today? Certainly. 1 iced latte. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? Would you like sugar in your latte? Okay, a medium iced latte with a little sugar. Anything else? Sure. Would you like milk or sugar in that coffee? No milk and no sugar for the hot coffee. Got it. Both are medium, right? Would you like anything to eat today? Good choice. Anything else from our bakery? Great! Our chocolate cake is very popular today. So that's 1 iced latte, 1 black coffee, 1 sandwich, and 1 piece of cake. Is this for here or to go? Perfect. Your total is $12.50. Thank you. Would you like a receipt? No problem. Please have a seat. We will bring everything to your table in a few minutes. You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee and food. You too. Goodbye.
Excellent work today. You are now ready to order your favorite coffee in English. What is your favorite drink? Coffee, tea, or juice? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.